Good evening, guys. Welcome to One Trade Per Day. Let's learn how the breakout stocks perform today. So we have BEML on the radar, which got a very good breakout. So the BEML was the first stock on the radar. If I open the chart and switch back to day chart, as you see, there was a good breakout pattern has been formed. So the breakout happened at 4510. The stock had exactly broke at 4510. As you see, the 1 minute chart, so there was a perfect breakout of this chart. So I just highlighted where the breakout had happened. So this was the patience how comes into the play. So we have waited and entered exactly at 4510, and the stock had broke for a 0.5 percentage and have marked this. So as a discipline practice, as you see, Bemel was the first stock which was under our radar and gave a breakout at 1011 in the morning. So had a breakout for 0.5 percentage. So the next stock which got a breakout is LT. LT had also a good breakout today. So if you look at the pattern of the chart, so let's switch back to day chart. So this is a chart where it says it's a breakout pattern has been accomplished, and the stock gave a good breakout in the morning. So it also gave a good breakout at the same time. As we see, I've entered at around yes 10:35. So the stock got a breakout, and it was completely rallying. Okay, so it was rallying for 1%. So though I've exited at this point, so this arrow mark indicates there is an exit of 0.68 percentage with the profit which I've taken. So this is a profit which I've taken for this 2186. The next stock was EC, which is a very good tricky stock. So though there is a breakout has happened in the stock, so this was a challenge because this has to be very quick in terms of booking the profit. So as you see, the breakout pattern has been formed here, and at the 1 minute candle, if you see, the stock as tested at this price level, which is 173.3 at multiple levels. So I did not enter at this point, so I was completely waiting at this point to break the price. So the price go though it broke, it was a 1 minute candle. As you see, within 30 seconds it's got rallied and then it came down. So I have to book to the cost where I have booked for 100 rupees for this stock. The next stock was Chola Finance. So the Chola Finance also had a good breakout today. So it has tested multiple levels at this price level, which is 1684. As you see, the breakout pattern has been formed for this chart, for this stock again. So now if you look at this 1684, let's switch back to 1 minute candle and see how this stock got broke. So this again, I have to say that it is again has broke at 164 at 11:53, and I have exited at 14:11, which is at 2 o'clock. So I have exited a multiple entries, multiple to make this stock, this making this two times exit, booking partially in one at one point of time for 30.3 percentage, and the next one I have booked at zero point 0.5. So this is how I try to manage the risk and reward. So again, these are the four stocks I have entered, and I made the profit and learned the breakout pattern and the profit how it works. So let's try to look at the watch list for tomorrow. So the watch list, I have Mahindra and Mahindra Finance for tomorrow. So if you look at the chart, let's see how the breakout pattern has been formed for this. So now again, switching back to day chart. So yes, there is a multiple testing which has formed for this stock. So hence I have marked this for 294. So 294 is a very good breakout. I'm sorry, 296 is a very good breakout. So as you see, high is at 296. So let's analyze the next stock, which is Tata Power. So Tata Power is also trying to break at 399.90. So again, this also had a very good chance for breakout. So if you look at this chart, yes, there is a breakout. So I've set an alert at this price level, which is 397.50, and I will be trying to take this stock at 399. Let's hope that it also gets for 0.50 breakout point. So another stock is Bharti Airtel. So Bharti Airtel is also a very good breakout pattern has been formed. So as you see, the chart tells there is a breakout So let's wait for tomorrow, see that Bharti Airtel gives this breakout at this price level, which is at yeah, which is at 1972. 1972. So the next stock in the radar is Bharat Forge. So Bharat Forge today gave a false breakout. So hence let's be cautious for taking this trade. So let's assume that this stock gives also a breakout at this price level, which is 1241 technically speaking. 1241 should be a very good breakout for Bharat Forge. I hope you like the video. If you like, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.